Hello everyone, this is Shahin Parveen, an intern at ubAdvocate, and today I am going to explain the topic of LGBTQ and their legal stand in India. Earlier, LGBTQ was an abbreviation for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender, but now it has been expanded to LGBTQIA+, where QIA stands for Q, intersex and asexual, and plus represent those who are part of the community but not represented by the LGBTQ representation. It may the LGBTQIA may refers to anyone who is not heterosexual and who is not a cisgender. Now, talking about their legal rights in India. In India, there's happened a very landmark case in 2014. Before 2014, India considered only two genders, that is a male and a female gender. But after 2014, there happens a landmark case of Nalsa versus Union of India, in which Supreme Court decided that every person have a right to self-identify their gender, and the Supreme Court declared transgenders as a third gender. So after 2014, India considered three genders: one is male, female, and the others. In others, all the other community uh, identify them as the other gender. Another landmark case which is very important, which shaped the rights of LGBTQ person, was happened in 2009. That is Naj Foundation versus NCT of Delhi. In that case, the court decriminalized Section 377 of IPC, which talks about criminalization of homosexuality, like when two person of same sex is having sex, that is homosexual sex, is a crime. So in NCT of Delhi, the court held that criminalizing sex between two adult people, like two people having sex with each other, two adult people, and criminalizing that amounts to infringement of fundamental right of the people. Another case, that is the very recent case that happened on the rights of LGBTQ, was Navdeep Singh Johar versus Union of India, that happens in 2018. In that, the court declared that the consensual sex between two adults is not a crime, whether it is happened between of different sex or of same sex. That is, the court declared that homosexual sex is not a crime. Now, talking about the current situation of LGBTQ in India. In India, same-sex marriage are still not legalized. So much of development on rights of LGBTQ didn't happen yet. The only right they have yet is their recognition as a third gender, and their sexual right, that is earlier that was a crime, that having sex between two homosexual people is now has been legalized. But things like same-sex marriages are still not legalized in India, so a long run to go ahead in case of LGBTQ.